Hello gentlemen, our today's video have four sections. The section 1 is all about the working of split ACs. The section 2 is about the testing of the compressor of split ACs. The section 3 is the replacement of old compressor of split AC, and the final section is the question answer session with the technicians. So must watch the complete video.
Today I'll tell you why I changed the compressor, because it's a burn compressor. Before 1 week we checked, now I changed the used one. Compressor work inside the air condition. Compressor is compress the gas in the condenser. The force all gas in the condenser. In the last point, capillary side is gas change the liquid condition, and the liquid go with capillary inner unit inside the split inner. The liquid spray in the evaporator and the evaporation, then you feel the cool. That's the function of the R22 in air condition. Thank you. This point of compressor is up for discharge, and this one for the section. We start again. This point of the the discharge point, and this inner unit, this come the liquid cool R22 income, and the cool R22 they maintain this temperature.
So in second section we first have to test the old compressor which is faulty, set by the technician by giving the supply through a capacitor. So it is stuck and not working. So we decided to change the compressor, but we have the used compressor, so therefore we want to first replace the dirty oil and put the fill the new clean oil in the compressor. After filling the oil, we will first check this compressor, and after checking we will install the compressor. So simply we connect this compressor with capacitor and supply. So this compressor working okay. By checking the amperes and suction and discharge pressure, we decided that this compressor is okay to replace. Then first the removal activity of the old damaged compressor which were faulty by heating, and we will remove this compressor from two joints, suction and discharge. You can see in the video. First we remove the old compressor by heating the joints of suction and discharge. After heating, we remove this compressor, but whenever you remove the compressor, you first take in your mind that the pipes should bend carefully and remove the old compressor. After removing the old compressor, we will install the new compressor, used compressor, which we tested before. So the old compressor is removed now. We will then install the new compressor. So new compressor, this is the 1.5 ton unit. This is the new compressor, which is also used one but working properly, has very good suction and discharge. And so the same two joints which we removed from suction and discharge, now again we will weld these joints carefully so that our compressor has no leakage.
You weld easily, and this side you sitting here, you first make hot this copper rod, make like this L shape, and you sitting here, and you see in my welding. I am sitting here, I am not going there, and my welding is coming perfect. What is bobbing? Mr. Mr. Zoheb, will I ask you one good answer question? Why use this company, this paper dammer, on the capillary? The reason. Please sitting here and give the answer.
Answer is a human person variable.
Wrong. Again,
My answer for
please, my friend. Carry on, carry on.
is a moisture
No, wrong.
and
Okay, you tell me. I don't know, sir. Please, you tell me.
please you tell.
Look, my friend. That's for liquid come here. This sound vibrating like this. That's the reason of use.
Why are you
Not
use
vibrate this capillary because this liquid make here.
Mac
Go
liquid?
inside your unit. Is the making vibration.
Last time you
All
are
the
defined for
ring of the capillary, they hold one mount. That's the reason of use this dabber paper. Don't forget me, okay? Video and
Last
like.
time, why?
You watch this video and you like and subscribe and this channel.